Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn this beautiful trendy laces braid. As you can see, first taking the lace, spreading it, नीचे एक नोट बना लेंगे to continue. Now separate the hair into equal proportion, making a simple braid. Now using lace to give in style, you can see here is the final look of trending laces braid. Thank you so much for watching the video till now. Bye bye, take care. We'll meet in next tutorial. Till then, keep practicing with me. Having any doubts, you can DM me in the comment. I will help you out.